I'll show you how easy it is to create drop-down lists of options in Excel. So I want to find out if these people are attending an event, but I only want 3 options, yes, no, or maybe. So I'll select the cells I want, and then I'll go up to the Data tab, and I'll go over to Data Validation. I'll click this drop-down and choose List. I'll choose this source. Now, normally I put the source on another sheet, but we'll keep it on here so you can see what happens. I'll click this little drop down, choose OK, and now I have drop downs for all of these. That way I can make sure I get just the data I want. I'll do the same thing for department. I'll select these cells. I'll go back over to Data Validation, choose List. I'll make my source this data, choose OK. And now I have a custom list for this column as well.